After 8 years behind bars, and before that, a life confined to a wheelchair, Gypsy Rose Blanchard will soon walk free. Now 32 years old, she's set to be released early from Chillicothe Correctional Facility in Missouri tomorrow, where she served a shortened sentence for the second-degree murder of her mother, Dee Dee.
She didn't deserve what happened. If anything, she just deserved to be where I am.
Throughout Gypsy Rose's adolescence, Dee Dee claimed falsely that her daughter suffered from leukemia, asthma, and muscular dystrophy. Dee Dee claimed her daughter had the mental capacity of a 7-year-old and made her use a wheelchair and even a feeding tube. She had as many as 30 surgeries that she didn't need. But Gypsy Rose eventually began to question her mom. In an interview from prison in 2017, she told Dr. Phil she regrets the murder.
I have to pray to forgive my mother. But right now, the hardest thing is to forgive myself.